Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Bitcoin breakdown episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. Quick shout out, as always, to one of you guys watching, to all of you guys rather watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support. Make sure you mash that like and subscribe button on your way out. As always, guys, all you newbies watching today for the first time, we have a free ebook that we always give away at the end of the episode, guys. Make sure you take advantage of that. We will explain how to get it here in just a little while. Tons of facts, some key things you need to know inside the market in order to make some money, in order to get started. So don't waste any more time. Make sure you sign up today for that ebook. Like I said, we'll tell you about it just here in a minute. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. A few topics to cover real quick. Coinbase expansion goes full throttle. It moves $5 billion in crypto, and list in preparation. They moved $5 billion in crypto in preparation for their token expansion, and they've shown that here by going ahead and adding 4 more. Crypto, DAI, Golem, Maker, Zill. They all had a little bump yesterday. You can see Golem here popped up and out. We were just talking about Golem as one of the coins to watch in this consolidation. We were talking about it right in here somewhere, talking about how it's a great token, how it's a wonderful project, how it's working, and how you should invest in those things when you see the sideways motion after a huge drop. So Golem up 13%. Let's see what Zill looks like. Zill got a nice little jump too. That's the Zill jump there. All about 13%. I'm guessing we're going to find that is the going rate for just about all of them. You know, when we're talking about Bitcoin here, guys, you know, it's looking good right now. We've seen the daily break up and out of the triangle on many different charts. Daily break here. Nice daily break here. Up and above the 20. Heading towards the 50, the 100, and the 200. Next target, obviously, right in this area here. It's going to be first 4,300. Can we stay up and above the 4,000 area? We tapped the 4,000, drop back down. Right now, you can see we're currently holding this area here. This is the confusion that we're holding. We'll mark that, and then we'll drop down and see what we see there. Looks like we've actually broken up and above it. This confusion right here. Can we hold it as support? Look at the MAs on the 6 hour. Very convincing that the bias has changed to bullish. Oh, sorry. So what we're seeing here is a break up and out of the triangle. And now it's starting its own trend to the upside. Okay, and now what you're going to see is the stairwell, just like it did on the way down, up, down, up, down. The important part is it broke this high right here, it broke this area right here, broke this area of confusion right here, congestion rather. Up and above, it's got a sort of a reversal pattern forming right now. That would be a reversal back to the downside. Oh, but it's not very convincing at all. And it hasn't finished. So that's what you have to watch out for. So when we look at this, we're looking for these levels to get broken. Okay, this being the first level here. This being the first level here. Okay, you can see how much resistance is in this level. We're breaking up above it. We need to hold it. This needs to tap down in here. I mean, it could spike down if it wants. Look at the MAs crossing each other. The 50, you know, being crossed. The 100 getting ready to be touched and then hopefully crossed. As you can see, the 100 is actually rounding off instead of pointing down. The 20 and the 50 are actually pointing up on a 6 hour, which is a very, you know, it was a higher chart. So if we hold here, move our way sideways, start an upwards trend, our next target's going to be this 4,300 area. If we can get up and above that, we will see some, you know, we will see some retests. We get up and above that and up and above this MA. You know, we're going to get back in those 5,000s and then back in those 6,000s and hopefully keep climbing, guys. We've fallen far enough for the institutions and everybody else who was trying to manipulate this thing down. They've done it. They've scared everybody off. They've shook the weak hands. They've got it down low enough to where maybe we can see an upside move now instead of all of this sideways move, excuse me, all of this downwards movement we've been seeing over and over again. Every time we get a little upwards movement, it's followed by twice as much downward movement. So everything's looking great right now. We've got the one level here, the two small levels here. We could even break it down on a 4-hour and see what that looks like. We are forming an uptrend here. We want to hold this and hold this pink level here. Then we're just going to keep moving our levels up. This is the next level of congestion. Okay, this is the next level we're going to have to get up and above. If we can't get up and above that, we're going to collapse back down to the downside and retest the area that I'm going to keep marked, which is my $3,000 mark. I've still got my buy set there. Just because we got a little rally doesn't mean we're not still going to fall to 3,000 and below. But right now, let's find some tokens and some coins that are looking great on the charts. And let's find the setup so we can take this thing back to the upside. Because if we keep seeing a little bit more of a rally, even up and above on the 4-hour, this 200 MA, we'll see a continued rally. It could last for a couple of days. And that would give us great momentum to get some of the money back that you guys may have lost by holding too long and then selling. As you can see here, Strat has taken off. Look at this dump right here. This is why you use 3 commas. So if it dumps like that, you don't get taken out. XRP is one I always look at and always love. It is, it went to the moon, guys. We couldn't have called this thing at a better time. Look at that spike down. That's just ugly and evil. It went to the moon, though. This thing, XRP, always one of my favorites, jumped up only 13%. But it's collapsing right now. It's collapsing back down, touching the MAs, seeing what happens. The market is so shaky. It's very, very hard to make money right now. I don't like risking my money when there's no need to. So I've just been kind of watching the market and seeing what Bitcoin has to offer. And then waiting for opportunities to catch that bounce, as we always talk about. So right now, guys, it's still very risky. Like I say, if you can catch an area just like this right here, this will be a good buying area. So this will be another good buying area. If we see this rejection being held, if we see this become support, this area in here, even this top right here, you see this area becomes support. Look for that next buy to take it to the next level. And just be careful, set those stop losses, guys. We'll be back tomorrow with some more updates and hopefully some better outlook on what the market's going to do, because it's just been a couple of days of upside. So we need to see more bulls backing this up to call it more of a rally. So we'll be back tomorrow. You guys just kind of stay tuned. Don't do anything crazy. And those of you who are just watching, who are new today, look down in that description below. You'll see the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. Click that link, guys. Get your free ebook. There's a huge training series that's brought to you by Cody Sperber himself, the man, the myth, the legend that brought this program to us. So don't miss out, guys. If you watched this video before and you haven't taken advantage of it, take advantage today. The market will take off. If you need more arsenal, there's a lot of good stuff in these books. So make sure you take advantage of that, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next Bitcoin Breakdown.